Hi everyone. Welcome to our Math 125 Unit 3 mini lesson. For this mini lesson, I've chosen a very practical and sometimes challenging topic that you will see in IntelliPath called unit price. So, unit price has many real-world implications for you as a consumer. You often need to know what the better buy is. During this pandemic, we are trying to save money. We're being a little more frugal, a little more cautious with our spending perhaps. So understanding how to calculate unit price when you're out shopping is very important. Let's say just a real general overview of what unit price is. Let's say you need to fill your car with gas, and there are two gas stations nearby, both with large signs that state how much the gas is per gallon, right? So obviously, when that's given to us, we'll know if station A gas is cheaper per gallon than station B gas, right? So we looked at the price per gallon. That's unit price. So in this example, the price was given to us. It was advertised on the signs. And so maybe gas station A was cheaper than gas station B. So all other things being equal, we would use gas station A. But what if the unit price is not given to us? We need to be able to calculate that ourselves. So what is unit price? The unit price of an item is the cost per unit of the item, so per pound, per ounce, per gallon, etc. To find the unit price of an item, we're going to take the total price and divide by the weight or volume or the amount of the item. So I've got two quick examples here. Let's say you spend $4.45 for 5 pounds of green grapes. Well, how much are the green grapes per pound? We're going to take $4.45 and divide it by 5. So we took our amount of money, the total amount of money, and we divided by the amount of grapes. So $4.45 divided by 5, if we were out shopping, most of us would have our smartphones with us, and we have a calculator right there in our phone. So we could take 4.45 divided by 5, and we would get 0.89 or 89 cents per pound. Example 2. If a 12-ounce can of chicken noodle soup costs $2.40, what is the unit price? We will divide the $2.40 by 12 ounces to get the unit price of the soup. So again, on our phone, we're going to take 2.40 and divide it by 12 and get 0.20 or 20 cents per ounce. So what does that allow you to do? Well, we're often curious if we're getting a deal, right? We're curious which of two given items is a better buy. By finding the unit price of each item, we can compare the deals. And the item with the smaller unit price is considered as the better buy. An interesting tidbit is that not all states require unit pricing on items. So depending on where you live, it might not be required when you go out to shop for the unit price to be listed there. And so again, knowing how to do it yourself is always a smart thing. So is buying bigger always better? In this day and age of Costco and Sam's Club and these wholesale markets, right? We see huge quantities of food and household items. But is buying bigger always better? In this example here, I have 1.5 liters of Sprite cost $2.10. 2 liters of Sprite costs $2.90. So how do we figure out which is the better buy? We're going to take the $2.10 and divide it by 1.5, which is going to give us $1.40 per liter. Again, there's your unit price. And the $2.90 for the 2 liters of Sprite, again, to calculate the cost per liter, we take 2.90 and divide it by 2, and we get 1.45 or $1.45 per liter. So the 1.5 liter is the better price. Any questions? Please instant message or email me anytime you have questions. We can also text or chat via phone, but I definitely want to make sure as you go through IntelliPath and you go through these unit pricing questions that I'm hoping this helps, but if you have questions, I want you to reach out with this topic or any other topic that you're going to come into with financial literacy in units 3 and 4. All right, everybody, have a great week. I will see you in the discussion boards and in IntelliPath lessons very soon. Have a great day.